Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm back with a tutorial for this Twice SRS music video inspired nail art. I just thought that the music video was too cute and had a lot of unique elements, so I took some from each scene and kind of combined them into this set of nail art, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Without further ado, I will get started. As always, we will start by applying base coat to our fingernails. Once base coat is dry, apply gray to your index fingernail, white to your middle and ring fingernails, black to your pinky fingernail, and a dark blue to your thumbnail. On the index fingernail, just take a sheer black polish and just start kind of dry brushing it onto the nail, and then you can just build this layer up. You can kind of change the opacity of the black polish and also mix in some gray, and you should get this kind of like watercolor look. And then I just started drawing two curved lines. One is more curved than the other. This will be our road, and obviously this shifts to the left, so I fill that in, and then I start drawing the trees with more sheer black polish. Then I went in with regular black polish to add some thinner lines for the details and branches. Then using white polish, just draw the lines on the side of the road, and I did skip this middle part because there's a branch that goes over the road. And then in the middle, I added the little dashed lines. Then for your middle fingernail, you're going to do the yes or yes on their album cover. So it starts with a right side up yes, and then there's going to be a red or, and then an upside down yes. For the ring fingernail, start with some black polish and just draw a curved road that is curving to the right, which is the opposite direction of that on the index fingernail. Then take more black polish and fill in the area between those two lines. Then to the left and right, fill in with yellow polish and leave a bit of a gap at the top of your nail. On the white area towards the cuticle, fill in with a light blue polish. Then draw two thin white lines on both sides of the road. Then draw a few dashes in the middle of the road. Then on the blue part, just draw on a few clouds with sheer white, and then take regular white and draw on some highlights. On the yellow, take green and orange polishes and just blob those on, and then I also drew some green blobs for the trees. On the pinky, draw a flame, so just start with a few lines that kind of come together in a blob, and then you want like the middle to be kind of pointier, and you can have some like extra wispy lines coming out of it because fire is obviously not symmetrical and there are a lot of parts that are kind of spewing out of it. And then once you have the white layer done, then just go ahead and start coloring it in with yellow, orange, and red polish. You want to start with the yellow in the center and then the orange kind of in the middle, and then red will be on the outside. I added some more white to the center. For the thumb, start with a tan color and just draw kind of like a wavy banner shape. Fill in the shape with the same color polish. Then use a light blue to outline it. Taking some brown polish, just draw a few lines across this banner. Then draw a thin brown line between the blue border and the tan center. Then use the dry brushing technique with the brown polish to make it look like wood, and also add some highlights with a lighter color. Then I'm going to start writing twice square, but I start with square so I can gauge the spacing. As you can see, I was not able to fit the E in the square, so it became twice square, but it's alright. Then you just fill in the white letters with red polish. Then your twice Yes or Yes nail art is complete. All you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat to seal the design and make it shiny. Thank you all so much for watching this Twice Yes or Yes nail art tutorial. I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, and I will be back with a new nail art tutorial for you guys soon. Bye everyone!